हाँ, ये तो blanket. So if I had a 22, I'd be shooting here. Set up shop in any one of these lanes. Start at 3.
क्या कहता है?
3 पे start करो ताकि you will know कि where are you going off.
तो मतलब ये का earplug तो है ना?
Okay.
All to the right.
लेकिन जारी grouping तो हो रही है ना? नहीं.
हाँ, grouping हो रही है.
ठीक है. My first one, see, first one I got right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And here.
Emergency?
Of course not.
Really? Look at it this way. You get the right side, I get the left.
All right, time for the Kimber.
Yeah.
Micro9.
आप shells उठाते हैं बाद में?
नहीं.
हैं?
No.
Nice.
All right.
Up high to the right. Right पे देखें.
ये.
ऊपर,
Okay. Finally, I think I'm the first one amongst our group, right? You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to try the Glock now. Oh. And what's interesting is, look at this. I actually aimed here, and I got them here.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah. All of mine skew to the left a little bit. I'm going left.
Are you left eye dominant?
है? मेरा left पे आपको कौन सा है?
I'm right eye dominant.
So mine's to the left, so I'm left eye.
Okay. Put it here. I'll show you something.
Oh.
Take your glasses off.
I'm looking at the bottom eye, right?
Yes, or whatever, but through it, through this window, and then pull it to yourself. Yeah, you're perfect. Take it now. Now look at me. Take it. If I do this, focusing at the cue, right?
Let me see. Oh yeah, yours came to the right.
Yeah. Come to my right side. Okay. And try to push me slightly, like. मुझे ना इस तरफ push करने की कोशिश करो. Okay. ठीक है. 1 2 3 4. You can try it with this though, right?
वो उसका किक बहुत है ना. Try. It's fun though, just to see where it goes, right? Where are you aiming? Where it goes?
But मजा आया? How do you like it, huh?
I like it. Yeah, it's just set up.